Adam here from the Tint Academy. We made the Tint Academy the largest education company for window tinters and PPF installers across Canada and the United States. One way we did that is by our unique model of a hands-on approach to teaching automotive window film. From step A to step Z, you're going to be able to learn how to tint any car, truck, or vehicle and make money leaving Sunday night into Monday morning after our course. This unique hands-on approach is not seen anywhere else. We go by step by step by step. Plus, we give you all the marketing and the tactics to make sure your schedule is filled once you leave this course.
I'm Ty, I'm 18 years old, and I'm from Calgary, Alberta. I joined this course to get some skills on tinting. I want to start doing a business in polishing, tinting, detailing, etc. Learning different ways, different angles on just the harder things to get out with tinting. Dirt, smaller bubbles, tight corners, stuff like that. Getting proper cuts with everything, and I think it's something it's growing. Everyone seems to want tint on their cars, so I think it's a good opportunity. I looked it up. I've been trying to find a place to do or to take a course on tinting, and this was just one of the most best rated popular ones that I found. Probably a lot of the business side of everything, that he seems to have a lot of knowledge on that stuff, and I'm excited to learn that stuff.